Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is GATE 2015 Computer Science CS. This was set 3. This is question number 13. In the given matrix, one of the eigenvalues is 1. The eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalue 1 are what? So 4 options are given. So there is one simple technique to do this. It is that we know that if lambda is an eigenvalue, then corresponding eigenvectors, which is x, it will satisfy ax is equal to lambda x, where a is the given matrix. Just this concept will solve our question. So we have that ax is equal to 1x, that is x, right? Now let us suppose, since it is an eigenvector, so it can be of something like this form. Suppose alpha beta gamma. That means that a into alpha beta gamma equal to alpha beta gamma, right? So now what to do? Now we have that we have to just solve this. 1 minus 1 2 0 1 0 1 2 1, and alpha beta gamma, it is equal to alpha beta gamma. So now what you will do is that you can see, we can see that we can solve this. So you will get alpha minus beta plus 2 gamma equal to alpha. So when you solve this, so minus beta plus 2 gamma is equal to 0. That's what you get. Now from second one, this one, you will get that beta is equal to beta. So this is of no use as such. And from this one, you will get alpha plus 2 beta plus gamma is equal to gamma. So again, from this, on solving this, you will get alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 0. Now from here you are getting that beta is equal to 2 gamma, and from here you are getting that alpha is equal to minus 2 beta. Now using both of these, you can solve this. So you will get minus 2 beta, that means minus 4 gamma, right? So we have got our vectors, right? So we have that alpha is minus 4 gamma. So putting back the values, we will get minus 4 gamma, and our beta was 2 gamma, that means this, and gamma is gamma, right? So what we got? So we are getting that I can take out gamma common, minus 4 2 1, right? So this is my particular vector, and it is a scalar multiple like gamma or alpha, whatever you can take, and this has to be non-zero. That means our option second is correct, right? So don't get confused, this is just difference between there is no difference, you can take any value here. So we have taken alpha here, right? So second number is the option. So please consider subscribing to my channel, and also please share the video as much as possible. Also you can send your doubts on 8800 122 1822, which is my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.